got a little project, this little bathroom. It's in an old Victorian house. Walls are lined. Tried to strip some of the wallpaper, the liner paper. Never a good idea. It's always up there for a reason, hiding something. The wall underneath is really poor. So I've had to put quite a lot of filler in there. I'm not going to do the rest. I'm just going to leave it how it is. I'm going to redecorate it all and try and make good of it. Let's see how it goes. Gonna go for a lightish colour like this on every single wall, and then some nice accessories. Okay, so I've put loads of filler on the wall, tried to patch it up best I can in places, and now I'm going to get the Merker and give it a really good sand down. Let's go! So now I've got all the walls and ceiling and woodwork merkered. I'm going to now use a product called Zinsser Peel Stop to seal all the chalkiness from the filler. It's a brilliant product. It works very well, especially in high moisture rooms like a bathroom. Apply that all over here. It dries very quickly, especially if the heating's on in this room. So now you've got all that applied to all the chalky areas. Just let it dry for a few minutes before you do anything else. We're going for Dulux trade on the walls and ceiling. Colour unknown. Or actually, you can just about make it up. after it's dried, you can then get your paint. And it should just cut in lovely. Okay, so now I've got the first coat on the walls. And the ceilings will go in the same colour. Yeah, we'll let that dry and then we're going to second fill it and then make it ready for get it ready for a second coat.
3 hours later.
Now all the walls are second coated, looking nice. It's time for the woodwork. All's done. Woodwork's now done as well, all looking shiny. Cupboards looking a lot better. Okay, so bathroom's all done now, looking nice and fresh, so now it's time to get some accessories. Could be first one here, it's just about to open. Get some stuff. Okay, so I'm back from the shop now. I've got my accessories. I'm gonna put them in the bathroom. Let's get rid of these. few accessories done in the bathroom. It's all looking good now, all finished.